everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today will be the first video of my giveaway. This air fryer is from ULTREAN and I'm going to give away the black air fryer. Today's recipe will be chicken wings recipe in air fryer. January 30th, 2020 will be the first video of my giveaway, and then I will be posting a second video on the 31st. The third one I will be posting on February 1st. On February 2nd I will be posting a fourth video, and the fifth video I will be posting on February 3rd. And a week from that I'll be announcing the winners. So good luck to each and everyone out there. As I have mentioned that you have to like the video and you have to comment the video. I like to clear up one thing, that you don't have to be subscriber in order to win this. This one is a free contest and anyone can participate, and there is no commitment for subscriber. So please don't think that in order to gain the subscriber I'm doing it this free away. No. There will be 5 giveaways, as I mentioned earlier, that I will be announcing on the 10th February. And good luck to everyone, and let's start making chicken wing in ULTREAN air fryer. Chicken wings in air fryer. I made 2 cuts on this side and 1 cut on this side. Half cup dahi, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri mirch, biryani masala 1 teaspoon, and I have posted a video on my channel how to make masala. Then a mixing bowl and with ginger, garlic, green chili. I put it into blender and I made it a nice smooth paste. So we have ginger, garlic and green chili paste, smooth paste, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. So put it into the mixing bowl. So we have a 2 teaspoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Homemade dahi. Add biryani masala, salt and Kashmiri mirch. With the help of whisk, we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add chicken wings. Mix it well. All the marination goes inside the cut. I'm going to do it for 2 hours, but it's always good idea you can marinate for overnight. So once it's nicely combined, we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I have another set of chicken wings which is marinated for 2 hours. And now we're going to mix it one more time. Get the air fryer. The air fryer I already plugged in. We're going to pull straight out. This is the basket. All the chicken wings, we're going to place it on top. Just like this. Chicken wings are placed in the basket. We're going to put the basket inside and press it. As we press it, we're going to press the power, press the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The time, 25 minutes. 25 minutes, and we're going to start it. We're going to let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to open it, and then we're going to flip the chicken wings over, and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes on that side. So we'll come back after 15 minutes. It's exactly 15 minutes in air fryer, and now we have 10 minutes left. So we're going to pull this one out. As you pull it out, it will shut off. Look at how delicious the chicken wings. So as you can see, it's looking really nice. And now we're going to flip them over. So each pieces we're going to turn them over. Once all the chicken pieces are turned over, we're going to place it back in and we're going to press it in. And as we press it in, it starts from 10 minutes where it left off. So it's automatically started at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius. Now it will turn off. As you can hear it, the final beep. There are 5 beep, and now it's shut off. It's a good idea to leave the chicken wings for 5 more minutes, then we're going to take it out. Another 5 minutes, we waited patiently, and now I'm going to open it. And look at this. How delicious the chicken wings. Chicken wings in air fryer. Very crispy. Quick and easy and very tasty and delicious chicken wings in air fryer. Prior to serving, lemon juice, and let me show you. Wow, nicely cooked, fully cooked. Very tasty, very delicious. Please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Please don't forget to watch my other air fryer videos for free giveaway. Thank you. Bye-bye.